of you, wherever you are, around the world, we the members of indigenous people of Biafra, under the leadership of Nnamdi Kanu, we are bringing this gospel to the streets of Biafra land, saying that 30th of May is our sit at home. 30th of May is our sit at home. Have you not been so? Anywhere where you there, anywhere you are in Biafra land, we the indigenous people of Biafra have decided that 30th of May is totally short. We will remember our people that was killed in Iguacha. We will remember those that was killed in National High School, Alaba. We will remember those that was massacred in Ekembo. We will remember our sister, Waka Waka. We will remember those that was shot and massacred in Hebridge, Anambra State. 30th of May, we must respect them, we must honor them because they are our heroes. Yes. Because of what they have done for us. That's why me and you are alive today. Wherever you are hearing my voice, are you in the diaspora? Wherever you are, 30th of May is our sit at home. We the people in Biafra land, we will sit at home. Those people in the diaspora, go and join IPOB. Wherever you are, join your people to restore Biafra. Biafra is the last hope. Biafra is our hope. Without Biafra, our Fulani will massacre everybody. That's why those people that died, that me and you should be free, we will remember them on 30th of May. Anywhere you are you in Malaysia? Are you in Indonesia? Are you in Brazil? Wherever you are, 30th of May, come out. Let us join hands together to honor those people. Those of our fathers, those of our mothers, those people that said no to injustice. We will remember them on 30th of May. There will be nothing like Keke in Biafra land. No Okada, no taxi driver. Are you a transporter? Pack your motor. That 30th of May, everywhere in Biafra land will totally shut down. We have decided the spirit of those 3.5 million children that was massacred by Kwashoko. We will remember them because they really make us proud. Without these children dying, me and you today will not be in Biafra land. Me and you today will not be in diaspora. Are you in America, wherever you are? 30th of May, go and join. We remember them. No matter whatever they will do, it will not stop us from remembering them. 30th of May in Biafra land is totally shut down. This message is coming from the Directorate of State, the leadership of IPOB. I still remain your servant, your brother, the only one, Maso Kwakwa Biafra, calling all the way from Port Harcourt Road and Alaba. I see on Oyake